Alright, fam, we're gonna do us a quick little lunch. Got us some Korean street food, some bulgogi right there that I'm gonna make some rice with right here. That's 2 cups of rice, half a cup of green onions, or spring onions, freeze-dried spring onions. I'm also gonna add some other seasonings to this as well. Here's the Korean spicy rice cake. Bam, right there. That's this. We also gonna eat the gyozas. And like I said, we're gonna have the bulgogi with the rice that I'm cooking right here. Into the rice cooker it goes. I put the green onions. I'm also gonna put a little bit of this as well. And some smoked paprika. Just a little. And a little pepper inside the rice. Alright, that's gonna give us a good flavor to go in the bulgogi. And also, if I have, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it, the beef bouillon. But we probably don't have any more of that. So I'm probably not gonna use that. I'm just gonna use this inside the rice. Alright? So once I get to putting this stuff on, we'll be right back. Okay, bet. So I did get the beef bouillon. We do have some left. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there too. Alright, now that we don't put those seasonings in there, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the water in there. Give it a good little mix up. Make sure all them seasonings mix around in there. Alright, now I'm about to turn this on. We got white rice. Hit start. Bam, it's cooking. Alright, now let's get everything else on. Alright, now that we got our gyozas prepped and we got our rice cakes in the water, I'm gonna put these gyozas, a little bit of oil on them. I'm gonna throw them into the air fryer. Go ahead, Lenny, put those in the air fryer. Bam. Now, I'm going to prep the meat, the star of the show. Alright, so added a little bit of butter. Got the bulgogi in. We're going to let that cook. Remember, these got to come up to a boil. Reduce about a quarter of the water. And then I'm going to add the sauce pack. And then let it simmer down and get nice and sticky. And then take the gyozas out. The rice should be done in a little bit. It's coming along. And then we're going to be done. The rice hasn't started counting yet. We'll be back. Alright, so now that the water has reduced by a quarter and it's nice and milky looking, we can now add the sauce. Now that the sauce pack is added, reduce the fire down to half. Just go ahead and give it a good little mix. And that's that. Let that reduce a little bit more. And then that's going to be ready. I'm going to leave it on low. Let it simmer down. The bulgogi's coming along nice. The rice is steaming. All right, y'all, everything is done. Good old bulgogi, good old spicy rice cakes, and the rice is done. Look at that. And them gowsers, look at those. We're gonna plate it up. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like, and then we're gonna be right back. All right, y'all, and there you have it. Good old Korean barbecue street food. Boom, we got the rice with the bulgogi beef, spicy spicy rice cakes. I almost forgot what that was. And we got our gowsers right here. And I believe it's pork in the middle. But these may be just leeks. That's what it tastes like. Or these must be just vegetables. And that's fine. Eat your veggies. We're gonna go ahead and punish it and knock it down. See y'all on the next one. No, that's got shrimp in it. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's good. I'm out of here, y'all. See y'all on the next one, all right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check us out on Facebook. And stay tuned for our next live. We out.
Bye.